Sipkens Nurseries is hiring for spring 2019, so we asked our team what they love about working here.
I like working at Sipkens because it's a very fun, fast-paced environment. It's very social. You're always surrounded by customers, co-workers. You learn a lot of life skills like customer service, teamwork. The knowledge is endless on plants and product that comes in. And I think my favorite part about working at Sipkens is being creative, being able to build displays and get the customers excited about new product, just as excited as I am about the new product that comes in.
What I love about working for Sipkens Nurseries is that it really works well with my family life, work life. There's so many different seasons, and in every season we have something new to expect. I love to shop, so I love being able to help customers find the perfect pieces, perfect pots for their plants, and perfect items of decor for their home.
You basically get to work a whole bunch of jobs in one, so you get to learn about planting, you learn a whole bunch about different trees, annuals, you learn about pruning, and you get to work in retail. So it's a whole bunch of different jobs in one. There's never boring time here.
What I love about working at Sipkens is constantly just getting to see everything come into bloom, and it's almost like coming into a whole different landscape every day because you get to watch all the flowers change.
Thank you so much for watching, and if this sounds like the right fit for you, please apply in person with a resume, fill out an application, and we would love to meet with you.